주 정말 줄리 정말 감사합니다 주설리 Julie to everyone. I hope everybody is fine. Today is a wonderful day, wonderful weather. During my mosam, इतने मुद्दे माने कोरा पहले वर्ष की पो था कुलिया यार वो कुलिया लेते into summer. I think maybe like summer is finally settling. You know, this year has been quite cool. Talo man it's like silmo zoshirak. Naninglo zoshene itu speaker man it's at bishkilla. Talo man rujiguna kamaju. Shkit poduk silmo gyal at pasanta. Yeah, Joe. Oh, yeah, tenida. Lockdown for beating I think everywhere the lockdown is now being lifted all over the world, which is mixed news, you know, because many people are happy that the lockdown is being lifted, but at the same time the cases are going up. So chilo 10 hours ago. Where are you now, Lo? I'm in Ladakh, no, Le. I'm in Ladakh. So the lockdown is being lifted all over the world. But unfortunately, the case is also going up. But I guess, you know, like, I don't suppose that, you know, they can keep the lockdown indefinitely. Sooner or later, they have to lift the lockdown. The lockdown is a gamble. I'm not sure. Maybe not. Shanti. Nax mampu yutik tuk mimang mampu jigla. Then takulia kulai virus na nyampu tuk chespo. Mata hago goshi sintik tukle. I think we have to learn how to live with this coronavirus. You know, we can't permanently be in a state of lockdown, which is not practical for the livelihood of people. Maybe for the rich and those who don't depend on, you know, society. I think for them it's okay. But I guess for the majority of the people who depend on each other, you know, I think it's difficult to survive with the lockdown. So, but I think we still need to be very careful about the virus. Yeah, there are Ladakh's latako case immune no ple. Chipejana ka Ladakh's la mata hoshir chosne no mimans ko ne. Ta le korban immune sonte dok. Tayang Kargil at Segman Poetic to Glay. Sombasang Kargil Canetine Matai. Brother Sister Gun, Ale. Common Sambala Matai, Zaugun, Matan Nogun, Ajugun, Samala Hoshir Chogus, Chogushis and No Chesin. So, Tai Shuloka numbers Tukchu, Japa. As I usually say, you know, it's important, it's imperative to study the shlokas consecutively so that it will make sense, because sometimes there will be reference to a previous shloka, a previous part of this chapter, and it won't make much sense unless you have been through the previous stanzas, shlokas, you know. So it's imperative that you have studied the previous stanzas. Nganma yutkanetini butsarkane shloka gun 장고시 각천이 놓래 같이스테오 마셔서 카타이네가 잠통했더니 안 같이 뭐 하고 있지만 야 되니다 쇼로가 넘버 tuk주링아 라마 년라 소파당 셰슬라 넷바 지남랑 마미 출기 깬달레 그런톤에 줘봐 독로 다 난마 가지고 주스나다 넛바즈간보 지디첸 not pas kan bo kazu yonseno not pas kan bo tenish ken manpo jik zomkan ejaste not pas yonseno pale not pas kan bo koranchik sontechi koran rangchi pujik jahachi ka dukste ni khoi not pas jik chen samkan jik tezuk not pas mane mekerle not pas kan bo shken manpo jik zomkan ejaste not pas yonseno le 하고 다 마다 지금 not pasena dumalzena hale te왕 때는 좀 시세 shken suo ketena dikpa nokle dikpa sakche se pe shken manpo jik zomgo sanokle 하고 소소랑지 좀 가서노 미전마지 좀 가서노 할래 때네 양때 만파 직 마다랑 전에 빨래 직 질모셔시 상식엔 망포지 좀 가서노래 때 참마 좀스데 만에 때네 징마다에 딕파사시스 노파주치스 마다 예주 노파 용치스 주 동말 용치스 주 때네 제디진 딕파스 간봉 식엔 망포지 좀스 만에 딕파사만 오주스노야 다때나 나지 라마 년라 소바당 때네 소소랑이 라마지긴도 양아 소소랑이 년지긴도 라소파 자오자모 가족주나 시스 때네 시스간 어쩌면나 년중 시스간 자오자모 오 라마 알레 소소 시스간 미시스간 대고나 노파 제남랑 때네 콩나 갈테스 오 지디chen koram notpajik chungna kalte suse lama notpajik chungna suse nyen chongpogna notpajik chungna la sokpa tene suse sheskan suse zawo zamogna notpajik chungna tene ngame chulgi chendale notpa chungchispong tene nganma juka nangjinla shuloka nganma guna juka nangjinla ngame chul nangjindu shken mangpojik zomkane tene te wijaste shken mangpojik zomkan tale gyurwar 통네 초와도 있으나 되는 마다 지리진 거랑 스캔 망포지 좀스테 그런 장에 되는 직 스케왕만 디파사칸에 자스테 이노 되는 직 디파사칸 스캔 망포 좀칸에 자스테 이노 되는 직 지리진 거랑 대속식 삼바탄스테 마다 조파곰 제스테노 이수찬 논출 맺잖아 하고 뭐고 지금 마다 라마지가 넛바지 용낭 년종부지 넛바지 용낭 되니 이미지 넛바지 줬나 대왕 코랑에 되는 라마 코랑 라마지기 있나 코랑 스케왕만 맞고 좀살도 있게 라마 코 스케왕만 낸살도 있게 마다 년종부지긴도 아장안내지긴도 아바마지긴도 자고자모지긴도 막바나마지긴도 콩군한테는 스케왕만 말라 직 디파사수 있게 라사수 있게 송알레 때 참아 대속 스캔 망포지 좀간에 자스테 넛바 용스테노 되는 쇼마 조스테노 하고 뭐고 기르한테는 좋아도 스테노 수마당 년종부시스kan 수전 넛바지 용낭 되니 직 미치기 믹설 직좀 맷포크랑 직직부지기 만빠줘스 용세만 스캔 망포지 좀간에 용스 자스테 용세노 스케왕만 모크랑 디파사칸에 자스테 용세노 할레 대속시 조스테 용세노 때베드는 마다 수조고 사모노 주스테노 그래 Shloka number 65. And even if our teachers, our gurus, our teachers, relatives, and friends are now the object of aggression, if somebody is being aggressive towards them, if somebody is expressing anger towards them, if somebody is putting them through misery and suffering, all of that misery, all of that suffering, they derive from different factors, as have been explained in the previous stanzas. For example, they themselves have accumulated a lot of bad karma in their past lives. Our teachers, our gurus, maybe they are guru in this lifetime, but in the past life, they were also human beings, just like us. They were also subject to, negative emotions. They were also subject to interactions with other people, with animals, with the environment. So they must have accumulated good karma, but also bad karma. And they have not only lived one lifetime, they have lived multiple lifetimes. So there is no record of what they did in a previous lifetime. But karma functions in such a way, when the time comes, when the causes and conditions are favorable, that karma will manifest in the in the form of whether if it's a good karma, it will manifest in happiness. If it's a bad karma, it will manifest in the form of suffering. But they're all dependent on different factors, not individual, not independent. None of these factors are independent and individual or really existing. They all depend on each other. Yeah, all these factors because of which, right now your teacher, your relatives, they're suffering. All of these factors, they depend on each other. They depend on multiple factors. It's not a single person's fault. Even the person who's being angry, he's driven by anger. That is again, a factor. And even that person, he must have, our teachers must have done something to them. Our relatives must have harmed the person who is right now harming them back, all derives from factors, as we have explained. This we should perceive and curb our wrath. We should understand. And we should not be angry at one single person who is right now, causing suffering to our teacher, our relatives, or our friends. Shloka number 2 Lucien namla semyotang Lucien namla semyotang semy nikenusina semychi de carte kun teve ne bozugrchi Lucien zanatene ngata misen Lucien zanatene ngata sosata mitsoshizan hawa mitsoshitene ngata injo ngata tele lama injo ngata nyen chongpo injo ngata zaozomo injo ngata Lucien zana sosurang tele ngata chidi chenkora migunazan Lucien Lucien Taki Lenamni, Papa Jan Chumisa, Zeremira Tenajana, Lusjan Madame Mitosazancle. Lucien Namla Semitang, the name Atanzospo, not by Young Chespo, Nangisagan no Payonole, Semit Kanjing, Semetanisigan no Payonole. Semit Kanzakambo, the name, Machik, Matan not Pachokan, Matan Dushmansospo, Jawospo, Hawa, they was Semit Kanjiginocle. Lucien, Matanzospo, Mizospo, Matan Indo, Mati Lama Indo, Mati Zawazamo Indo, Mati Yentompo Indo, Matan Tenich, Lucien Gula, Semit Kanjigna. Semit Pat Niskin not Pacheslo, Niches Nalo, not Pachoa na. Tene Semit Kanjik, Mizos, Semit Kanjik, Hale, Tene Semit Kanjitajik, Chulok Yongches, Meshurches, Chik Chidichikota, Semit Kanzina, Yam Parpare, Guilty Poches, Mana, Tezuki, not Pachiona, not Pazagambo, Mekamet, Mijiki, not Pachogoshi, Mekar, not Pazagambo Mata, Chok Minan, not by Young Richasenople, Jumajiton, and not by Young Richaseno, Chalaji Matanchi Pote, Chitonche Sonte, Miji Minamata, not Pamachona, Semit Kana, Semit Kaniskishon, and not by Young Richasenople. Mana, that's special music on Winopale. Parpareching Matan, Chitonshi Druzani, Chitonshi Mata Pokchana, Mana, Chitonshi Mata Pokchana, Matanchi Chamegan and Gilchana, not by Yonsenopale. Chamegan and Gilchana, not by Yonsenote, Kochi, Chama, Kochi, Mixal Justi, Chamakan Gulte, Kumia Pang, some Jesus, some Mekapale, Rigi Yornachana Katojini, Shawaji, Ridagun Dultena, the El Dog Guka Pona, Matan not Pagiona, Kochi, Kumatanchi, El Dog and Minachi, Butte Matiguka Panchese, Matiguka Pochese, some Mekapale. Son passant. Mizirkan bo, Lusutkan, Lusmetkan Niski, no Payonole. Gargun the Yala Charpatanzani, no Pale. Nami talk on a talk. Charpatanzani. Look talk by Mira. Nami talk down. Look down, look at the Nimika Pono, the Nimikashiano, Kashimizakampo Becar Chanole. So, the Natsos Latin, Palpare Chulogiono. Chulogionzan and Kochik, Semetcanino, Sanguliono, Semetcanino. Mana Palpare, Mechidon Bazan and Atachi, Mino Payon, Cosem Mecanino. Lucian Gula, Semet Canetene, Dushman Mitos, Semshantos, Yana, Semet Canetene, Jumaji, not Pachalak, Chiton, Doa Pote, Chuna Kirte, Meshurte, Mana, or Tezuki, Niski, not Pachat, na. Semici de Corticon, Tenimata Shocho Chespo, Semet Canchipo, Atachipia Scarzanle, Semet Canchipo, Atatini, Senem and Passams de Scarte, Deva Chipia Corazano, Semet Namla Chipia Scarte, Sconazanle, Agua, Semba Conazano, Chipia Shochozanle, Semet Canchipo, Matan Chipia Shochozanle. Inopa, il doji pona mata manicoro, il tamor socudo pasiste, Hale, il doa mata molto tamor, potando, il doa mar socudo existing. Measuredna, me Marsopodis mea, Zamanopole. Mea Shochakanji Suikle, Sangula Shochakanji Suikle. O Tenatsosla Chulogions and Chulo Shochakanji Suik, there's an embarkation, Shosuchunle. No Payong Chesosino. Michigan not Pachano, not Payonseno. Meshonang, not Payonseno. Chikenang, not Payonseno. Kisotana, not Payonseno. Inang Mizerkambe, Shochu Chespo, Chipia. Minang, Scarte, Chipia, Semet Cancipola, Shocho, line number Supecatole, Semet Chitish Cartish con, Semet Cancipola Chipia Shocho Zanole. Deve non passo per chi? So, Tevia, Tene, not Pacho Cangulang, Matanchi di Cincoran, Mi Semet Canji not Pachodo, Semet Canji not Pachodo, non faccio con quella ma so faccio cosa no osanle hago mago non pa non c'è stosse no se met kanji chona se met kanji chona ni scala so pazzo go umza ina mano pa ma tam miser campo mi amjik mi amatajik o shochoches kia shochoches semsheno shochoches balanging do zozomoji ga tajik jing changzane lungstana balang mo de bergar tene mane koran zozomo to mane berber she tanchana pole mana Tushino pa kishi sota na atan kazu churu tene la daspe ino pole nani loji ngata tene la dasla shken ngata sonte ino kiuni tene kata atan jan chikta chidi chin kharam o chik da ko magyars kiuna chik ngata stapsto gala majus karjil te muchus matans tene kiuna al dashkan katans gari kyos pa shus shan achazane tene ko kichugun sats kiun sats sada china tene chik kiuni ngata mi so mani chitale ta gaungone siksan gaungone chitewa achazane kiuni chang so tanchamalle Matana Yaramachano, Matana Tenic, Koran, Semshan, Jerry Kanetene, Shanku Wanku, Korangon is a chesitene, Semshan Gun Sama, Ridas Tansatpa, Zambulina, Gujakionspa, Ridas Samayo Babsionspa, Korangon is a gumit passant, Tenete Shanku Samayons, Mati Lukun Sustenole, Mati Jamagun Sustenole, Mati Bumbugun Sustenole, Tenete Shanku Nata Ki Despassant, Tenekip Shangutenole. 대 깁샨스 간보 latpa WhatsApp 샹쿠 족슬라 마 경포 용친 인낭 키 족슬라 양 latpa 대송친래 되네 대군이 미군 소스테노 다 미군의 스티니 치초노 쇼용스테노 기죽 잠사슬래 취나 좀 무리는 양색 방슬래 so tena nangjingla teni michi ka tesna ta yang michi ga not paschalatna omane mirik jema ji ngati mirik je not paschalata teni ta mani kora rik la staste ngata o izugino zeste ko mi jema ji ngata chik society jema ji chuluk jema ji gindo rik jema ji gindo gelkap jema ji gindo mata teni chik chiri chen kora met kame semet kan chipo ngata shochurale ta yi sangul ji yonso yodna shochomiruk pale sangul ji yonso yodna tori amerika sangul ona te shochogos pa chi gyare sangul na chi amerika sangul ketar do 지 겨울에 상굴지 이소 굴간지 아메리카 상굴지 이소 굴간지도 미루빨에 상굴이 놓고 사굴티 미니코 랑지니코 시체세노 컴퍼니 시체세노 출력 영상에 잠시 나스통 대전은 쇼수주고 출력을 쇼주고는 켜래 미지 투단에 또 쇼준 봐 정말 이놈아노 이놈빨에 출력 조는 갖다 쇼주 하면 미지 투단은 쇼준래 프랑제 쇼준 너빠 출력 오마 영상 그래 쇼 투단을 비가 맞아 되었을 봐 이 출력 말도 못 해. Lucien namla semutang Lucien namla azitana alak chusu porazia teni igne pusila zaman tsik hawujin Lucien namla semutang semit misket not pachos na semit chipia semit kan chipola chipia chite skarte skonat skon jana kon semba kunches shoyonches teve not pasu parki semit kan miske chi not pachona te not pagunla teni ata zopa chogosan sok chogosan not pa yonches ko tsoksen pale teozesno okay stanza number 66 Beings suffer injury alike from lifeless things as well as living beings. So whether we suffer through the hands of a human being, whether a human being causes us harm, by hitting a stick on our head, or by setting us on fire, or by throwing us down the hill, or by stabbing us, injury is same. Whether you suffer from, lifeless, inanimate objects, for example, like earthquake, for example, like floods, tsunami, I don't know, for example, lightning, lightning bolt. If you are struck by lightning, who will get angry at a lightning bolt? Who gets angry at, earthquakes? Who gets angry at floods? We don't. But we choose purposefully. Yeah. So why be angry only with the latter? Latter in this sense is living beings, human beings, animals. For example, if, I don't know, maybe if a wild animal descends from the mountains because we have destroyed its food chain, we have disrupted the food chain, right? And if a wild animal like a snow leopard, I've never heard a snow leopard harming a human being, but let's say like, a wolf or a Himalayan bear, or maybe in America like a cougar, or I don't know, some wild animal descends, or like a black bear descends from the mountain and kills one person. Yeah, what do? We go and kill so many of them. Yeah, like just recently, I think 2 or 3 days ago, or 2 days ago, there was this leopard which I think killed a few people in a village in India, in southern India. What did the people do? They all got together, they killed the leopard, and they held the leopard by its 4 limbs, including its tail. And then, almost like a parade, like a trophy, they walked, they held the leopard by its limbs and paraded it through the village. And people were really angry at the leopard. So why do we only blame living beings, human beings? Let's say a human being from a different country, let's say a human being from a different race, a different religion harms us. We blame, we prefer to blame that. But if the earthquake strikes us here, we don't get angry with an earthquake which happens in America or in Europe. Earthquake is earthquake, right? The damage is the same. Actually, we die more from inanimate, lifeless things than from human beings, or through living beings. More people die from lifeless, things, inanimate objects. Anyway, so the injury is the same. So why be angry only with the latter? Rather, let us simply endure that pain and practice patience. Let's endure the pain. Yeah, we endure the pain of natural disasters. Why can't we endure the pain of harm caused by living beings? This is a very good stanza actually. Well, all the stanzas are good, but some of them are more memorable and practical. And this is a very practical one. Stanza number 67. Tuchu Rabdunpa. Lala mung pe nyepa se, lala mung de tujurna. De la shume kangi sa, shun nakche de kangshigin. De yo mal dungo diyang, hale. Tajik, mijiye, lala zena izuk zanokle. Lala zena kashik zanok, kashik. Hago, de hati yutkani de gyawar de lala zeste manokle. Lala ramchan zeste manok, hago mogo. Lala izuk chidi chen kora. Lala palji zeste manokle. I lala zera chena, tene ngata chidi chen. Lala zera chena, choska tsoshena. Lala zena kashiga zanokle, kashik. Hago, kashiki, monspa zena tene hamigo ches, ignorance. Lala mungpi nyepa se, kashik tene hamogo. Hale, chidi chen, notpa chono. Mano, mata notpa chono, hamogo chan. Mashesa, notpa chono miji. Lala mung de nyepa se, lala mung de tujurna. Tene mi kashigi ni kochik chang kang hamago, chang kang mashesa notpa mi janmagunda. Notpa chono. Shingsi lo kofi utun jesu. Konspasa. Sonle, monpa zana tene ngata timuk zano pa hamigo jespo timuk zano le. Tene chik spejana hamigo kani jeste tene monpa zana ignorance timuk zano le. Kashige tene hamigo kani jeste notpa chono zano. So hamigo kani jeste dikpa sano, nyespa sano, dikpa chono zeste no le. Spejana tene chik gewa chona pantok sot kanze kanjik, dikpa chona chiri chik nyespa yut kanze kanjik hamago. Mana tene chik semshan kono notpa chogo sama no zakan bo hamago. Tene chik shkunma notpa yongano, sosoranga notpa yongano, rzuntangna sosoranga tene notano, tezuk chiste ngata hamogo. Mana teo monpa zana ignorance zana le kashige tene hamogo. Temugi jaste notpa chidi chinkorang. Nyespa mampo sagano, soale tene shkunma rzuntangano, notpa shkalano. Tate isu glass minda chono. Tene lala mung de tujurna. Tene kashige ya tena nangshin la hamogo. Tezuk mi shkun mashku kan, rzuntang kan, mi jaman notpashko chokan gunla, kaltes shochoadna. Mana, tezuk shia shochoadna, lala mung de tujurna intam, mungchespo niska tsoksenokle, mungspa. Tezuk temuk niska tsoksenok, hamagonok. Las gumde sen delwa hamagonokle. So, tene kashige, temuke jaste, teguna shochoadna, tela shkun met kangisha, shkun tangche de kangshigin. Tene te niske nangne, shkun metkan bo kawin zanokle. Tela shkun met kangicha, shkun metkane laspo suichostenok. Shkun tangche de kangshigin, shkun metkan bo suinok zestenokle. Hago mogo, niska temuke jaste chostenok. Hago mogo le, niska temuke jaste chostenok. Niska la tene ko barabar in zanokle. Hago mogo, niska la barabar in zanokle. Shochokan bong, ko chedi chinkorang, niespa tsoksoikyak, temuke jaste chostenok, tene dikpa sakan bong, rzuntang kan, shkunmashku kan bong, ko niespa tsoksoikyak. Soale. Son passant, iu tikinok, au tikmanok zechese ngatan chanzergena manok zestenokle. Stanza number 67. Some do wrong out of ignorance. For example, they don't understand the relation between the cause of suffering, which is bad karma. They don't understand. The cause of happiness, which is good karma. So that is ignorance, right? So some do wrong out of ignorance. So they steal, they lie, they harm others, while others, being ignorant, also become angry at these kind of people. So whether you commit an act out of ignorance or whether you become angry out of ignorance, you can't assign blame to either one of them. Among them, whom do we call innocent and whom do we call guilty? They're both similar. They're both doing this out of ignorance, right? And the blame has to be equal. You can't say that person is guilty and that one is innocent. No. They're both equal. Stanza number 68. Gangi jenda nuzepe lede hunche. Gangi jenda nuzepe lede hunche. Chishir che tamchi lela raglena dagindela chite gun. Da kansa kanshiki michige kansa kanshiki soale. Teni mi janna jila notpa chuatna. Tene notpa chochespang lede hunche. Chishir che taspejana mijigi 되네지 마당 소시가 너빠 줬나 송알레 너빠 줬지스포 마당 갈때 미시기 너빠 줬나 코에 마다 너빠 줬지스 라스포 마당 앵간마 라스트 hunche는 앵간마 라스트 앵간마 이치 베줬게 라스포 이치 줬스는 벌레 라스 초카네 제스티 미절마지 다상 마당 너빠 줬스는 올레 강기 진다 니지페 송알레 가사 강하시기더니 미진다지기더니 마당 너빠 줬나 되네티 너빠 용체스 라스포 hunchi 찌지지 라스포 앵간마 이치 베줬게 Ano, tiyo matana chik nispa sakane jase choste nokpade. Matana dikpa saksemen daksa mi jenma jigi matana pashkala manok joste nokle. Tamchi lesla raglena. Chi ngata shkit poji gyondro, dukpoji chadro, tsama laseka ragleste nok zanokle. Las zanpoji chona, tene shkit po yongchase nok. Matan daksa dunga jigi anna, tene chilichen. Shkewangan bala matan dikpa ji sakso kyakle. Tamchi lela raglena, tsama kates laseka raglesatna, 다긴 딜라 지테 끈 되는 집에다서 만노 박형칸의 미와 쇼주인 잔을래 유마라 라스트 그레스 저스트 저스트노 만나니 집에도 수시 라스트 저스트 가왜 저스트 다서 그 만노 빠졌스트노 도니 집 딕바삭스 캬파 테우스스트노래 하고 정말 라스가 라글스트노 저스트노래 만나 마타나 갈티 유트야 저스트노래 되나 갈티 유트카네 저스트 되는 다상 마타 미지기 노 빠졌스트노 저스트노래 데 라스고 만만이 만파 집에 삭스캬 저스트노 테우스스트노 라스트 훈치 찌지르지 so yeah, stanza number 68. Why did they previously act in such a way that now they're being harmed by others? Let's say somebody is harming somebody else or somebody is harming us. So we have done something, we have committed a bad karma which has right now manifested in this person harming us, right? So why did we commit such a bad karma that now we are suffering? So you can't assign the blame on somebody else completely. It is also us to be blamed because all are subject to their actions. All actions have consequences. Whether we see it or not, whether we believe it or not, it doesn't matter. Whether you believe in karma or not, it doesn't really matter. Karma is a natural fact. It's a natural consequence. For example, if a sun rises, it sets. That's a consequence of sunrise is, or sunset. Yeah. So in the same way, karma, if you commit a good karma, like we seem to think that there are no consequences unless somebody sees it, unless the police seizes, catches us. We believe that, unless the law catches us, there are no consequences. We believe that if we do everything hidden, there are no consequences at all. But no, you're wrong. There are karmic consequences. There are spiritual consequences and grave consequences, The consequences of a police catching us, it depends on the brutality of the police or the law enforcement. Maybe they will put you in jail. Maybe they will kill you like they killed George Floyd and so many other people. Right? Maybe they will beat you up. Maybe they will, make you disabled for your entire life. But the harm that, the harm that a human being can cause to us, the consequence of this life, the breaking the law of a book is nothing compared to breaking the law of karma, causing harm to animals or to other people. Yeah, because after death you will be stuck in a state which we call hell. I mean, I don't like the word hell, but I would just say we will be stuck in this mental state where we will experience hellish suffering, where we will experience extreme heat, even though there is really no one making the fire. It's like when we have fever, high fever. Yeah, exactly. When we have high fever, the temperature hasn't risen. Right, pale matan sapaji yongna matan mi gune tiu samtik dupa ka nam sakpa police mezum nam sakpa mi ji matan mitong nam sakpa matan chi chen nam sakpa matan chi mi ji matan mezum te sakpa matan chang nespa met kan zugo manole tamche lela ragle na 정말 라스가 디펜 채널에 나타 라스 김대세가 벌어서 옅나 옅 벌어서 met나 met 짱 파르 메결레 나타 메 자칸 베가 벌어서 옅나 옅 추 자칸 베 벌어서 옅나 옅 met나 met 메니코 참마 직자스노 추니코 참마 롬파차시스노 추링가 kirchesino met kamettewa 벌어서 주고 시시메게 아미야 벌어서 met 제스는 럭변나도 콜랑파 직자스노 라스 김대세 벌어서 옅나 옅 맨나 met doesn't matter 남파인도 치파인도 atheist인도 communist인도 보토인도 짱 캬도 메결레 라스 금제 제칸보 코 구드르티 유숙시기노 지디진 코라 팀 속시노네 하고 또 기타비시 그 디스 메캬래 코 둘조 속시노네 니마샤테스티니 니마 메카메 코 누고사노네 니마샤테 디린 사파 나메나 루스칸지카니 만 용처만리 하고 미식 개와 닌테스팅이 찌쩌나 맞추는 거 쉬고서 그래. 야나 상게스 인도 결포식 인도 상간직 인도 만에 찌낭 개와 닌테스팅이 쉬고 지스포 고 팀식이노 그래. 그들의 띵 아타 정신이 팀식이노 덴페 팀식이노 돌당직이노 송바선 좀 프라그메 그래. 다 kaltes ngatai iski wena ko mi khashi kiti osam tik dukpa ta dasar filajik zumtangin filajik shkunmashkin filajik mi kona shruchun filajik notpashkelin mazun digano police mazun chammekya o teams guni mazun chammekya court case mazun chammekya mana inna ngata chik mi zumnang mazumnang last gumri zakani ngata te notpau yongchaseno takchote no ko chamjungena manokle te dakchese pet giwasak busheseno kle te mani chara mekya depend chamanole. It doesn't matter. You know, when a baraso chon chon macho macho, you know, when marzinole, jam farak chamano. Hago mogo. So bas sangese ngata gops kurchise pe, chamajigi yoga dukse penji kurte, bizu special on distemanole. Korang skadachun mochachise pe, sanges korang penel mampu yongchise pe, sanges korang shakatuba korang chidichin, o loba mampu yongchise pe, Instagram zoshi nakuga, Facebook zoshi nakuga, followers mampu yongchise pe, skadachun mochachise pe, selfie capsemano, special distemano. 하고 뭐고 그랑 직 그랑 famous ches는 그랑 축복 체스 배주스는 뭐노래 그랑 직 샘션고는 힌지였다는 자스테 되네 직 스카파 망포지가 그랑 추스준 독세 개와 망포 추스테 딕바 맞죠 되네 원 망포 약간 자스테 소스테 구슈테니 소스감 소스라 샤시 구슈고 세가 밥스노래 상게스테노 되네 때는 바타송테노 기 뎀베 그랑 마타 치지 그랑 아슬리엣 뿐만 그랑 알라지 독 삼세노래 데 아슬리엣 뿐만 다 샷테노래 tepe sangese chos bonamina demba zeremira tepe no koyale somba sang police jik zumna mampo jone chichunne jelena ta mana miji ngata chikotes ngata chik timponji ngata zumna mampo chichunle fansi tangchaseno fansi tangseshi shi desene ko chilu ko sikem zam lusadu mampo lusaga ada kan lusadu mashia uks machada mana ta kale ka kaspochi no zena il las gum dispono pale dikpa mampo saxte sha mampo zoste migona notpa mampo shtalte zum mampo tanse shkuma mampo shkoste stanshi las mampo choste shi distene tene nyalwa zekanbe tezukshi ngata tsurwa yonokle nyalwa zekanbo chunjuge no ko jiwale demochose molte yut suchigi machono inna semba dikchan be choste no zano tate okazukshi inte dugzena tene spejam tasanata chatbare miro chat fever man logically tuksam salam logically 로지컬 답변이 라스초상 갈때스 내려오는 연탄찬 였나 답변이 부치 두삼사람 마다 나서 차 버전에 지 못봤당도 강변에 거치 히절 온주로 하나 차 동선이 지 니만 이시할때나 많어 빨리 소송되노 바죽스포 말테스 파상 차파 총소때는 미잖아 정말 티셔츠가 독세노래 샤머 포지스노 카세 포스코스 마신세 샤세 포지스노 카 마르포스코스노 할 울타송가 뭐나 샤머 포지스 카세 포지는 저주시지 먼저 대어 통미시스 카셀 부르코가 사마르 샤마르포 통제스 카셀 포 통미시스 샤세 포나 카마르포도 망포 통시스네 티셔츠 군가도 망포 통시스네 소 도고 장스토만 고 야가르 두스는 고 츠비츠비 잘다야레 이나 다야 싱세 안타 마르제 차라치 베즈 치신즈 저건 뭐 다이노 봐 차치 바르자네 나타식 차파 즉 주몽 아타 피버 용자네 mana bukhar chazane temperature tamta gyan ge samsha chaike phale ite ber temperature samsha ke 102 chadu marjete mera samsha do 105 chadu ya chichi chana chat barzane chikchi nima nisharte mano dunbika yonse miji ha zeste mano hale chik bukhar tanste mano sorsumte no pozuspo maltes pasang zuspena ko chik ko temdel mazum pasang kam maltes pasang ko sorsumte no tena tsosla shitistingya nyalwaze kan bu suchi bu patami kyale hago mogo nyalwaze kan bu suchi ga kashin me keron yon hezeste dasa serpocho tasam barpocho stini esto se ez kan bu nyalwe no ko suchi shin me kyale ti dasane kurte darinji no suchi am dukse me kya hago te samanga ta semba dikchen be jaste no zano gale jivale molte onchen nyalwe statik bu ngaitu mera nyalwe me gun su tanseno nyalwe shinje kan bu su bu te kanska kongona tanka su tanseno nyalwe no ko last chokan gola tanka su tanseno government tanseno UT government tanseno state government tanseno su tanseno pe mano te samanga tas I semba dikchen sem kan be tanka tanseno pe hago iu shalteno semba dikchen semba dikpe na son basan shi testine nyalwe tsurwa tsoshi yon kaple dembe koran tika jikchate visa ji kurte jasena sonte nyalwa le chishime kaple stage ka ragle seme ka ragle stano pole tepe mata semba dunna sanges inzano semba madunna nyalwa inzano le Tebe dasangata chagyachin mo tsoshi Mahamudra Vajra yana tsoshi no ko chikshe kundul zikan bega dokshe zur tangchingle. Sem budul go shenokle. Semba dulna tene tsama dik tsarte no. Hago. Oh, te example kazushi no jena. Semba dulte yodna tene chidichen. Da suspejana zambuling gangpo. Zambuli tayu miramani itu chazate. Min nipke chungis tsama itu chazate. Yumma kakchenman. Nipke chuksumson. So zambuling gangpo ngatae kaltes dulgushis yotna. Zambuling gangpo ngatae chik kowaji kapste. Leather tsoshi ngatae chik kapste. Pakpa tsoshi ngatae skonte. Kanjela dulchespo. Teo gyala. Hale. Teo chona gyala ki gangpa khorang. Pavuji gonte. Chik kowaji nyepo kapste. Pavuji gonte ngatae dulna gyal. Kao tap kaspano. O gangpa ngatae pavu nyepo skonna. Gangpa kapste ngatae zambuli gangpo dulna. Teo chikmicha zambuli gangpo kap ngatae kawa nyanches manokle. Sombasang dasai gom gapches. Dasai tsama dukches. Dasai shmonga tangches. Chagyachin mogomches. Naruchuru tangches. Salung gomches. Hale wang juches. Jinab juches. Te tsama chip henozana. Ina tsungata gangpa izuk koa shkun kan tsokshenogle. Semba dulchana teni zambulin tsam koa kap kan tsoksenogle. Kara dulna ngatae cham gangpa tselmang zuwa mano. Hale gangpa ngatae kaltes koa gonte kapse medna teni zambulin gangpa su kap nyene. Kap nyena manokle. Teni kara chana gangpa tselmang zuwa ndo anokle. Uldorok zuwa ndo anokle. Gangpa kap goshisman kakchen mano. Semba dul goshisman kakchen manokle. Rangi semni yongsun dul multimira sangese dikpa chen mijashin gewa puzum soparche. Rangi semni yongsun dul multimira completely yongsu zana chatang zanokle. Gangpa lik kop zano. Gangpa pechi kop zamanokle. Hagwa gangpa right po kop left po makap zoste manokle. Gangpa lip kop zanokle. Semba lip dulchuk zanokle. Demochu zo tul zanokle. Demochu zo wangana lepchu lakpana lepchu zanokle. Teni chi chona mishi gyukwega tutana shoyo manok. Hagwa ti tuang sangese jinab zokshi tsoranokle. Testing ni mane kora nama urna sose marjino, sena zunna sose marjino, teni chang gakpa me kyakle. Chikshikun rolzan tates kola mambo ji jun miduk, inna me juches ton takte one, seme karagles teno. Ta semba u dul madula, dikpash kanke gachana, las ngan pash kanka sakspe. Teni tamche las la ragles na, las ngan pash kanka, ngatan joste, dikpash kanka, joste, zunsh kanka, tanse, me gopskosh kanka, tanse, samshana shok mampo chate imetsena gachi, pene marpaji sakanchona, kampaji chokanchona, ko lotsam lusinle, pene sakchespon ko, zun tangnang, shkunang, mana, chik businessman indo, politician indo, chi chostan ko gotala choste, zun tangse, me gopsko tangse, samshana shok chate, pene ji sakanchona, ko tsam sakpo lusinle, te sakpo ko longam chik gorimba. Mana banchik chupo chachis pe lo jipchu mapchu gorimle. Lo mapchu stene ko lego lo zukspo ta kum chachis start samokle. Shkipon tezam chungena manok. Man ma teni chik kharji to tem bon to met kam soranokle. Ta tezam saksi chipan. Mana teni tezam dikpa sakso kela. Te ngespa kule teni goiga koranokle. Teni mangpulu san lo tukchu sakpulu san. Shkipo chachis dus bon lo tukchik lo shchik tsoshi mane metole. Ta sa ziksan ponjok chukpo gona. Ma chukpo sheskan mangpo pale. Sheskan mangpo ladak yut, amang yut. Hale, tampushina ya. Kumana tisangla, sembarshkit poragazilani, shkit pochonokle. Gamane korang eshchonokle. Ya gurgun la awa chanok, ya leika tuwana, penizene chansar kame, galizene chansar kame kya, putsa pomozene chansar kame kya. Hale, nama mapazene chansar kame kya, kangpa chik pilo achik kyakle, garwale, barwale, nisiga, riri kyakle, chansar kame kyakle, kaji zachiza tsar kame kya, chansar kame kya, she tsar kame kya. Chansar kame kyakle, shkit pochoshi. Inna sembarshkit poragazilani, tampushina. Longkurigani pata chanokle. Tina. Teo man payale ngata chik sembarshkit po balenza ka borgoshis man kakchin mandokle. Hagwa, teo justen ba. Last pimles po ngata barosa chogoshis man kakchin mandokle. Juju, ngira nga tsama chi last chonang. Tsamtuk nyan na ngata patla nakpa macho lasik choze na makaspono. Dang distimirwa. Nyizuk, there are five wrongful means of livelihood sekan bangi dang diashingi borti mirwa. Zuk, gumpulu jubi zuk po kachos po. Rinchin chingmi teo. Teo tuksam sarazan. Sonale. Sonbasan, makaspo nokle. Tang, pona nyampo ngata kor chang metpa, shchitpa chang metpa, dikpa chang metpa, nyespa chang metpa ngata, mitsirshkal chis makaspo nok, chupo gyushis makaspo nok. Sonale. Teo chik balance ka borgoshis makakchin mo nokle. Nor yod nang, ko nor stankan in nang, mana, stankan ji in nang, ko semba tsim gushis makakchin mo nokle. Hale, semba tsim gushis makakchin mo nok. Inar stankan ji in nang, ko kaltes I botol tsoshi mane medna, I botol ba ko mane korang, ji mane korang shok chada tsoso tizuk chaspa chin mo etna, der stankan botua nokle. hale susan tuano zena te arapati san tuano te karupati san tuano kawa karod yodo kampar chuchunga yodo garish chuchunga yodo mapana mar chuchunga yodo hale so oh jing mampo yodo hotel mampo yodo ina ko chaspa desa metna hale ko meta paino skewang ngari choksonam sakane jaste hale choksonam sakane jaste tene ngada sa yutote no samse dezushi koran chaspa metpa inna ko kazuwa nga top tena chosa ko metkana chachese no ko chang nimpo metya shanpe chang metya ko mani kora ekdam metkan chashi chese no diringi no torimi jelma je gurshi chese no mana tene chi yuju tsakpash kitpo chen yuju tsakpa ni ko long student zane ni use chen inna te semba chakchese te hukbo mitam huk mata mampo jiga te problem chiro pale hukbo yuyan itu joza te hukle kane kara huk tang pale mi gone chakyu huk zane chi zana pale nyazum chi shamira te huk tang miro 부책 통나 혹당치식 봄액 통나 혹당치식 베닉 나타 직 삼백다마 베니 혹당치식 골라 혹당치식 데니까니까로 작귀단 두스파상 할리 데니가 까니까로 유니니 저가네테 나 저가는 혹부까니까 탄스파상 데니 주피가 셋셋 보소소랑 차노네 정말 럭반 여러 중에는 많어 볼래 베니 럭반에 쇼트 차노 막바 럭반에 쇼트 차노 나마 럭반에 쇼트 차노 두구 럭반에 쇼트 차노 할래 강바 럭반에 쇼트 차노 호텔 럭반에 쇼트 차노 만에 지윈나 꿀레꿀레 그런 진이 몇간 차노래 정말 럭바 보는 게 많어 대비 나타 착스페 셈는 나타 이 착스페 이즈 후포 뭐부터 무시스 많을래 하고 냐는 빠틀 마탄 보고서는 스티퍼지가 같아서 나타 후지였나 때가 나타 골락부지 팡스나 혹 망포였나 때가만이 그런 설망조서 이쪽 설망조서가 다 이쪽 자꾸 망포였나 골락 보면 그런 자체스만에 가체스노 자체스노 스티퍼지가 혹 자스면나 스티퍼 삐삐였나 때가 골락 보면 릭 부체스노 볼래 마당할 때니 잘락지 있는 저리 이거마다 혹 저렇게 조슬라 할래 혹 메칸 거서는 유트나 딕 메당 딕선 건지 하고 또 혹시 뭐 너무 좋던데 다시 더 주스탄스 맹이 할래 ngaran so shena tampo jin ta chun dane chik temshik norte za mete no chupong chang mekya penya temshik met pasang ngaran chik sa chun dane to bi chaspa ma yut bile mari games si chaspa chakpa et game boy za kan bo mari komi kune ka chaspa et bile dene chik ngaran yas pas chi kilo na te gi ai ju za kan sipa zori yong chen hale o te guna chaspa yut bile dene chik yang te na zosla o kola zori tsapi tsapi chaspa yut bile dan chik stini kule chi de chen o chospa tsapi tsapi ha go chik nang dene chik mata chik 미세는 거지 통범 섭이 용하지는 근데 그래 한국으로 볼래 semba 쯤지 마다 미시가 착사도 잘락지가 착사도 땜신 마다 세마마 파우도래 다 당들이야 지 거리지 교드나 곰파지 교드나 잘락지 교드나 tampo mais normal 조서 착사바자 밀래 되는 직스팅네 메탈 찬나 대좀 쓸까 야메라 볼래 미스타 파이노 삼체식 건조해서 된다 말래 또 각체만 올래 semba 마다 만에 까니까 semba 착방도 착즈나 semba 오마리 자르도 볼래 하고 attach 아따 착도 볼래 근데 스티는 뭐한테 비루 당친래 뭐한테 나스 당친 되는 이 당친만 하고 되는 민다민다잖아 되는 sembal대 아마노 되는 직 라마노 미셔치스테 상마찬 거야 so I'm sorry I got a bit carried away with that you know I was just talking I was just expanding on what I was discussing earlier about karma and all. Anyway, what I was trying to say was that, so after we die, like, for example, when we have fever, it is not that somebody has just turned on the radiator. It is not that sun has multiplied 2 or 3 times that we feel this heat. It is only because we have this, we have this illness, we have this unfavorable condition within our elements, that we experience the pain of fever, this, raising of temperature. I don't know how much it raises, but we feel this intense heat. We feel like sweating, even though outside everybody is cool. Yeah, in the same way, if your mind is not stable, if your mind is not controlled, if your mind is not conquered, after you die, if you commit a lot of bad karma, you will experience these hellish pains. And for that, you don't have to die and experience it. You experience that in human life itself. When you're in love, you feel like everything is made of clouds. You feel everything is so light, everything is so beautiful. You see the colors more saturated, more vibrant. But at the same time, when you are depressed, when you break up, when you lose money, when you lose your relationship, when you lose something else, when you're sad, then everything looks so meaningless. This beautiful world, which is a canvas, the most beautiful painting, which is the world that we see. Everything looks desaturated, black and white. Food, beautiful food. Food also feels tasteless. It all depends on your mind. That is why the Buddha said, it's imperative to conquer your mind. Completely, totally. Yeah. It is better to cover your feet, the soles of your feet, with leather or with a shoe than to cover the entire world and walk barefoot. Please remember this. That is how meditation works. That is how the principles of, the core principles of Buddhism works. You have to conquer your mind because everything is a projection of your mind. So if you can conquer your mind, everything becomes beautiful, enlightened. If you can't conquer your mind, if your mind is, not within your limits, if your mind is always attaching hooks onto everything, the hook of attachment, a girl hook, a boy hook, money hook, house hook, car hook. If you're attaching hooks everywhere, then you become shredded. We have to stop attaching, these hooks to impermanent objects because we can't control them. We can't really control. We feel like we're in control, but we're not. We're always driven by our desires. Yeah, we don't have any independence. When we go to the toilet, we don't have independence. We have to pee, right? We have to pee when we go to the toilet. We don't have any independence. When we go to the kitchen, we are hungry. That is why we are going to the kitchen. We don't have independence, right? When we go to sleep, we need rest. There's no independence. So we feel like we're in control, but it's an illusion. The total control is to awaken from this state, from this mistaken state, of this relative, living, of this relative phenomena, of this relative truth, to awaken from it and to directly experience the ultimate truth with your wisdom mind, which can't be, explained with words, which is inexplicable. But that only happens when you meditate, when you achieve enlightenment. Then everything is beautiful, everything is total, everything is, you see everything so clearly. But right now we're still in slumber, we're still sleeping, we're still attached to our dreams, we're still attached to what we perceive in our dreams, we're still attaching hooks everywhere. If there's a wall, and if there are lots of hooks on the wall, and if you throw your jacket, right, it'll get caught, and then you'll pull because it's my jacket afterwards. It'll get shredded. But if there's a wall and there are no hooks, if you throw your jacket, it will not get caught anywhere. So because of this attachment, because of this duality of I and others, because of this mistaken, belief that we truly exist and others also must truly exist, we get caught up with all this, with all this, how can I say, mistaken view of living. Anyway, I think if I keep talking, I'll go on talking. So let's stop here. Tell me benefits of being a spiritual person as a teenager. Ladakh 57. This is not, I don't want any questions here right now. This is not a question and answer session. Question and answer session. Please don't ask any questions in the comments. There's no time to interact, there's no time to answer. Anyway, so that's that for the stanzas. Like I said, it's okay, don't worry. Ladakh 57, no problem. You should memorize the meaning of the shlokas. In English it's a little bit more difficult because you can't, you can't have the same format as it is in Tibetan or Bodhi. Because in Tibetan, in Bodhi, it's very easy because you can you can be 100% faithful to the Sanskrit, original Sanskrit source. In English, it's more difficult. And that's why I always put the explanation, along with the stanzas. So, but try to understand the meaning. That is more important. Yeah. Then shloka gunida pudikshas kan gunla sama juju I shloka I dasachilo shloka sama lozum gushisin hoye. Mekamit sama tontapo itu jugo shenokle. Tam namnam ni tam dungle. Namnam tajik teaching zerin jingnam interactive session zerin jingnam mana. Pastor gun mane kane karachi choshigi ka tang duzane teka chachishi aga tang duzane aga chachishi chago sano teki nokte semene nyana majun kuchi panle. Spera tang point ba. Tasa ziksan I bodol zoshin okba. Nyana wana ladas ba dasa I chos chozane yele. Mata chos chozane shkyon sum yongchenle. Hago chos nyanzane. Mata shkyon sum yongchen te shkyon bu metkan chogosan. There are 3 faults when we receive teachings. We have to eradicate these 3 faults. We have to identify these 3 faults. What are the 3 faults? First is if the lid is shut. You got this cock up na we can't feel it if it's shut. Kalip chuk na chuluk nyana mano. You to chazat. Ladas bagana teushkon miruk. You duk. Dakan kula. Ladas baga dakan bodasha kula. Kan kula hai dakan kula. Tu gyara dukle. Yeah. I don't know about others, but Ladakhis, it's open. I know that. They listen. Yeah. That you based in the Changpanamano. Even if it's open, yeah, it won't be of any benefit if there is a hole here. Iga biang juetna, mano, tenichi panle. Iga luano, ikana bianole. Hagamogo. Teaching jignena chano, ding irimpuchi as a teaching jinenano, the penacunamano, zapping yankan chano, scapsun chaser canchono, chasal canchono, in a itu boramano. Teaching buchap sarachin young PUBG, young mobile, young chutichuzur, young TV, young sponsors, young dipelas, halim. Oh, tenis jechanole. Biang putkan sosla. Is biang metkan sosa biang putkan sosa man biang metkan sosa you tik chugosano ni yo putik chugosa tan timira MC tang sale shanti chugosano so the second fault is that if there is a hole in the vessel it is useless because it doesn't matter how much you fill it will keep dripping. So it's very important to remember the teachings. That is one good thing about most of the Western students. They remember, because they actually have good interest. They listen and they also memorize. Now the third fault, shkyon sumpachi nokzena, yok chukste yoddo, katoku peste yoddo. Hago, yok po chukste yoddo, katoku peste yoddo, inang chang faida metkya, kaltis inang kuga, tuk deste yodna. Inang kuga, totpashal cheste man lukste yodna, julab lukste yodna, chang panamanokle. Hago. Inakuga ngargyal zikan be tukpu luksti yotna champana manole. Oh, ma teaching was open. Oh, shanti di wanga shesat. Zotpeli wanga para lozum sash. Tange shachok pa. Mana, tu ngargyal gosa manole. Papai tempa jinga shesat. Ma meditation, ma vipassana chosar, jamarchu. Gwen kanya poje vipassana chosar. Himisa sonte gosa sonte nga izuchirichin. Oh, shmundo tansar. Oh, ngascho tanshesat. Ngamani tanga targo tu goshesino. Tu margel sanole. Hawa. Chos nyante, itu choste, nanku kaltes margelete, mirsanwa desti yodna, tuk sospo desti yodna, champana mano. If you have the poison of ego, yeah, and pride, defilement, in the vessel, if you have mixed that poison, it is useless because it will make you more, it will actually harm you. Because you become more egoistic. And I've seen this so many times, I've done 3-year retreat. I'm a yogi, I'm a lama now. I've done 3-year retreat. Nobody has enthroned you as a lama. Nobody has, authorized that person to teach. But in the West, you have countless teachers. Anyone who knows how to read the text, Dharma text, who have received some teachings, they have become teachers, self-professed teachers, I'm not saying like I'm a great teacher or whatever, yeah, but still, I'm just saying like I've seen this so many people. And that's one big fault. You should always keep your ego. If it is useless, even if it doesn't leak, even if the top is open, even if you can put, a delicious drink into this vessel, if it is mixed with the poison of ego and pride, useless. Actually, it's worse. It's better to be empty. zole teonukle tuk deskan soksla argile mira o ta ngomane chinga kaspan zale mani chik chaman duksanga ji shwe vipassana dansar kanga ji bar specialist nga four noble truth chesat o nga wikipedia somte na tezukshik o emptiness skola tsa picture sat zar kan sokrik nga te oshe somte course justin te mariale no pale chos te kaltes nga ta mi gala güremet na teni chos ma phana no le chos te mi ma nyamchung gurgo sanole mi ma gala gurgo sanole mi na jandon jan gurgo sanole chos te margal cham gurna teni tenan koga 아이숙 지리치는 뚝tes 감속세 너무 주스는 거야. 대수 견순도 몇간 쳐서 여러분 timira. 해. 또 삼바동. dakkan kulawna jaye hago namchoga dakkan bu behazat yoga dakkan bu chugazat itu chozat chozgun tene nankuga margyal zikani izukpo mixture mas jisho mama botonde parparanga teruk 오 직전디거 점무 딜리고나 직 주르기니 보초도 안 찾으니 만나 다직 조직 당간 조스는 우리 미세 이즈고 샷간 조스는 직 토픽시가 직 티칭 당가 다스티니 디워티네 레바노 빨리 디워티네 레바치네 때네 말결 전차파가 주로 봐 대근 스튜던트 실 난간 조스 다직 리더 당들이 정말 리더 주지 답부도 빨리 리더 쪽은 때네 마이 보즈는 때네 디워치티네 이거 하는 짓도 그래 조사디 왔던도 때네 조스는 보즈고시노 때네 좀 부치들이 입에 펩세노 때네 이즈고시노 때네 마당 참 이즈고 줘서 때네 좀 비카데 말이할 전에 말 쇼샤스탄치스 쿠리 탓간에 pomo지 되가 요두 쿠리 탓간에 부자지 되가 요두 하마나 임프레스 주치스비야 리저 빈체서 때 말이할이 나쁘네 때 연구서 만나 대수가 for example 마대수 통셰스 빨래 치미고는 용도 즉 슈초 당간 카스파지긴도 사마도 간지긴도 슈몬도 당간지긴도 위파사나 조스간지긴도 스페샤사 픽셔서도 할래 말이할 전에 뭐네 그런 리조소 용도래 연탄은 잡히 용도 되고 집안래 되어지던 바야래 처음에 되어주죠 가다셔서야 이슈로가 운로즈마zat아담남 사볼레신 장바다 미kerle 시시 사바츠픽 스키프주드는 미겔라 할래 아나 테니 미세나 즉 초츠픽 셰즈나 되오메라래 스페셜한 데자 록다운 전에 지셨든 나 많이 그런 말세는 기타즈 PUBG 시스템 PUBG 모터 시스템 프렌즈 만포송 즉 followers 만포 톱 낙샤 만포 업로드 조스핀 유튜브가 비디오 만포니 다스핀 베니 만포 톱 베니 만포 사스카다션 먹기 참 집한래 만나 다데자 록다운 전에 잡픽지가 이속 초스픽시스 할래 춘주기 지와레 조조페 이속 쇼로가 갸나 숨주 탈지도 납주마 이투락제나 뭐 딱보는 볼래 먼저 또 봄바락 야주 14 seconds left off just and you 정말 럭서시켜 jas는 해 everybody come back we'll do prayers 정말 럭서시켜 다zat